Hi, my name is Aiden from Korea. I came here to receive training in rigid endoscope repair service. The instructors taught me everything in detail from disassembling the scope to disassembling it. And I also learned many useful tips. I practiced disassembling various brands of scopes and thoroughly learned the procedures for replacing lenses. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of the persons in medical, and actually they are very kind. Before I came here, I was worried about my training, but every worry is gone. The situation here for the training was very nice. Please come and visit here and feel your training and learn many things to use in your country. Thank you.